How to connect Instagram to Facebook business page. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can connect your Instagram to Facebook business page, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you have an Instagram account and then you would like to connect it to a Facebook business page, first of all, the Instagram account must be a professional account. So unless it is actually a professional account, you will not be able to go ahead and then connect your Facebook page to it. So once you make sure you have a professional account, here you'll find an option called edit profile. So when you tap the edit profile option, right under this you'll find public business information and you'll find the option called page. If you haven't connected any page, you'll find connect or create page. So now you can tap the connect or create page option, tap on continue, and now simply log into one of your Facebook accounts. You can say connect to Facebook, tap on login to Facebook, and once you log in, you'll be successfully logged in, and then you can connect your page in that regard. This way you can actually connect Instagram to Facebook business page. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.